Namaste everyone, I am Gurpreet. Welcome back to YogaSays. I am back with another amazing video today. It's about Anulom Vilom Pranayama, and it is very beneficial for pranayama. It is to balance your right and your left brain. Bring balance between your yin and yang energy. So let's learn how to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So first of all, keep your two fingers on your forehead. Close your eyes. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left again. Full inhale. Close your left, exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. If your shoulder is hurting a little, so you can keep this hand on rest and you can use the other hand. And the benefits of this pranayama. This pranayama is very, very beneficial if you have sinus, migraine or headache or blood pressure issues. You can start with 5 minutes a day, and then you can increase to 10 minutes and 15, and then 1 hour, and then 2 hours, and then 3 hours. You can do as much as you can. This will unlock the potential of your body. This will wake you up. You will become more aware, more conscious, because you're focused on the breathing, and you will see what is happening in the body, inside the body. So if you have low blood pressure, this is good for you. If you have high blood pressure, this is good for you. You keep practicing this until your headache is gone, or it's less, and then you can take a break and then practice again. I did it last night and I'm feeling amazing. So this balances your right brain and your left brain. Right brain, which is more creative, left brain, which is more calm, which is more meditative. So left is moon, female, and right brain is sun, male. Yin, yang, sun, moon. So I hope you liked my video about Anulom Vilom Pranayama. My name is Gurpreet. See you again with one more amazing, awesome video next time. Till then, namaste, be happy, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.